Welcome back, food enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the rich history of a beloved dish that has stood the test of time, moussaka. Originating from ancient Greece, this layered masterpiece has undergone a fascinating evolution, with each ingredient telling a story of its own. But have you ever wondered how this iconic dish, with its layers of eggplant, minced meat, and creamy bechamel sauce, came to be? Subscribe now as we peel back the layers of history and explore the evolution of moussaka from ancient Greece to the present day. Our culinary journey begins in ancient Greece, where moussaka found its roots. Dating back to the 4th century BCE, this dish was a symphony of flavors even then. The Greeks, known for their innovative use of ingredients, combined eggplants, minced meat, and aromatic spices to create a dish fit for the gods. Did you know that the original Greek moussaka didn't have the creamy bechamel sauce we associate with it today? Instead, it featured layers of vegetables and meat, showcasing the simplicity and ingenuity of ancient Greek cuisine. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, where the Ottoman Empire left an indelible mark on Greek cuisine, including moussaka. The addition of spices like cinnamon and allspice, as well as the introduction of minced meat, transformed the dish into a flavorful and hearty delight. Moussaka became a culinary canvas, adapting to the various regions of the Ottoman Empire. In Greece, it evolved into a dish with layers of eggplants, minced meat, and spices, a precursor to the modern-day moussaka we savor. Now let's fast forward to the 1920s, where the final piece of the moussaka puzzle fell into place, the bechamel sauce. French influence on Greek cuisine brought about the addition of this creamy layer, elevating moussaka to new heights of gastronomic delight. The addition of bechamel not only enhanced the flavor, but also gave moussaka its signature golden crust when baked. This culinary evolution showcases the dynamic nature of dishes as they travel through time. Today, moussaka has become a global sensation, with variations and interpretations spanning the globe. From the traditional Greek recipe to regional adaptations, this dish continues to be a symbol of cultural fusion and culinary excellence. Interestingly, chefs and home cooks alike continue to experiment with moussaka, incorporating diverse ingredients such as zucchini, potatoes, and even lentils, showcasing its versatility in the contemporary culinary landscape. Before we conclude our journey through moussaka's history, let's sprinkle in some delightful stories from around the globe, real moments when people experienced the magic of this layered dish. Picture this, a small family-owned taverna nestled in the charming streets of Athens. As locals gather for a Sunday feast, generations come together, passing down not just the recipe for moussaka, but also stories of love, laughter, and shared moments around the dinner table. Now let's travel to Melbourne, Australia, where moussaka holds a special place in the heart of a community that celebrates diversity. In a lively food festival, a young chef introduces a vegan twist to moussaka, sparking conversations about culinary innovation and cultural inclusivity. We shift our focus to a cozy kitchen in Istanbul, Turkey, where a passionate home cook puts a creative spin on moussaka. With a hint of local spices and a dash of personal flair, this dish becomes a symbol of cross-cultural appreciation, proving that moussaka knows no borders. In the heart of New York City, a food blogger organizes a moussaka tasting event, bringing together a diverse group of foodies. The aroma of spices fills the room as people share stories of their first moussaka encounter, creating lasting connections through their shared love of this ancient dish. Our final stop takes us to a bustling street market in Mumbai, India, where a street food vendor adds his own twist to moussaka. Spices from the local markets mingle with the traditional ingredients, creating a fusion that surprises and delights customers, showcasing the global adaptability of this classic dish. And there you have it, not just a dish, but a cultural journey that transcends borders. These stories remind us that moussaka isn't just about the ingredients, it's about the people, the moments, and the connections forged over a shared appreciation for good food. If you've got your own moussaka story or a unique twist on the recipe, share it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more culinary adventures, and join us next time as we uncover more delicious tales from the world of food. Until then, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep savoring those magical moussaka moments.